Imagine you robbed a bank. Not saying you did, relax, criminal mastermind. But now you've got a bag full of cash and one tiny problem. You can't walk into a Lamborghini dealership and say, "Yeah, bro, I made this selling lemonade." That's where money laundering comes in. The art of making dirty money look like it just came back from a spa day. Today, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible, using ridiculous examples, fake criminals, and 0 prison sentences for you. Part 1. What is money? It's a green piece. What is money laundering? Money laundering is what happens when someone gets money illegally and then tries to make it look legal. That's it. It's financial cosplay. It's putting a fake mustache on your money and hoping the bank doesn't notice. Criminals can't just deposit huge piles of suspicious cash because of banks, governments, and tax authorities start asking questions like, why do you have $900,000 in a duffel bag? Why does it smell like a crime documentary? So instead, they try to run the money through businesses or transactions that make it look like it came from normal activity. Think of it like this: dirty money to washing machine to clean money. Part 2. The 3 stages of money laundering. Money laundering usually happens in 3 stages. Let's meet our imaginary criminal. His name is Dave. Dave has a large amount of illegal cash. He now faces a challenge. How does he use that money without immediately drawing attention? He needs a way to introduce it into the financial system while making it appear legitimate. This is where the 3 classic stages of money laundering begin. Stage 1. Placement. Sneaking money into the system. Dave already have a pile of illegal cash. The only problem is, it's just paper until he can get it into the financial system. So Dave tried to place the money somewhere it won't look like bad stuff money. This is where cash-heavy businesses magically appear. Car washes, small restaurants, nightclubs, consulting firms that consult absolutely no one. In our example, Dave opens a small smoothie shop. Dave's totally legit smoothie shop. No customers, no fruit, but somehow it makes $12,000 a day. On paper, it's a regular retail business. Smoothie shops deal with daily cash sales, which makes it easier to claim higher revenue than actually exists. So Dave reports that his shop is earning far more than it truly is and deposits extra cash as if it were business income. Now the money is inside the financial system, but it still looks questionable if someone looks closely. So here comes layering. Stage 2. Layering. Make it confusing. Now Dave moves the money around like he's playing financial hide and seek. The goal here is to make the trail so messy that investigators get a headache. Money gets transferred between different bank accounts, different companies, different countries, different fake invoices. It's like Dave is saying, if I confuse myself enough, surely the government will give up. They will not. This stage is basically criminals turning their money into a maze and hoping no one brought a map. Stage 3. Integration. Now the money re-enters the economy appearing legitimate. At this point, it may be used to buy property, invest in businesses, or fund major purchases. On paper, the funds now look like profits, investment returns, or business earnings. The money has completed its journey. Illegal money to financial system to complex transactions to looks like business success.